Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we will going to know how we can get 18650 batteries from an old laptop battery at your home very easily. So let's get started. As you all know, the first thing that we need is an old laptop battery. I got this old Dell laptop battery from my old laptop. Using a screwdriver, I tried to separate the back cover. And I was successful in getting rid out of the back cover. This is the BMS, or you can say the charging module of the battery. We need to separate all the batteries from the nickel strips using a scissor or an pliers. So this was how we can get the 18650 batteries from an old laptop battery pack. Hope you like it. Stay tuned up to my channel because in one of our upcoming videos we are going to tell how we can charge these 18650 batteries at your home.